How to make a t-shirt on Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, let's go ahead and open up your Roblox application in your mobile device. Once you open the Roblox app, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside the more section, simply tap on create right over here. So it will lead you to this kind of interface in your screen. From here, tap on this three line icon, then tap on creations. Inside creations, tap on avatar items, and then simply tap on classics. Now scroll below and then tap on upload assets, and then simply type in the name of the asset. So once you have the name, tap on upload right over here, and then tap on photo library. Go ahead and choose the picture that you would like. And once you're done, tap on done again. So once you have your photo right over here, you can even type in the description in this box. After done, tap on upload. And just like so, you'll then be able to make a t-shirt on Roblox Mobile. So if you would like to put this t-shirt on sale, go ahead and tap onto it. Scroll below and then simply toggle this button on. Go ahead and set a price. And then simply tap on publish item. Also, to publish this item, you need to have at least 10 Robux. So go ahead and publish the item and then you'll be good to go. Well, that is simply how you can make a t-shirt on Roblox Mobile. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.